Chapter 1. When to start potty training. As previously mentioned, there is no magic age at which children become ready to start potty training. Children are very unlikely to be ready before 18 months. 2.5 to 3 years old is the most common time to begin potty training. Some children may even be closer to 4 before they show an interest in potty training. In the end, age doesn't really matter. It all depends on your child's level of independence. There are, however, several signs to look for that will indicate that your child has developed the necessary physical and mental skills to begin. There are physical, behavioral, and cognitive signs that will let you know when your child is prepared. You do not have to wait until you see all of these signs to begin, but you should wait until several of them have been displayed. Physical signs. Coordination. It takes a certain amount of balance to sit on the toilet long enough to accomplish potty training. Until your child is capable of sitting there without assistance, I don't recommend starting. Being able to walk and run steadily is a good indication that your child will be able to sit on the toilet by themselves. Amount of urine. You should wait until your child is urinating a fair amount at one time to start potty training. This will create a more definite event out of going to the bathroom. Bowel movements. Your child should have regular bowel movements at roughly the same time every day before you start potty training. This will give you an approximate schedule that you can follow to increase success by forming a routine. Dry periods. Your child should go at least 2 hours with a dry diaper. This indicates that his or her bladder muscles are developed enough to start potty training. Behavioral signs. Sits quietly. Potty training involves sitting on the toilet for several minutes at a time. Your child needs to be able to sit quietly for 2 to 5 minutes before potty training begins. Changes clothes. Your child needs to be able to pull his or her pants up and down by themselves before they are ready to begin potty training. Dislikes diapers. One of the biggest signs to watch for is when your child shows an interest in wearing underwear. Often this begins as disliking the feeling of a wet or dirty diaper. Once your child is interested in becoming potty trained, you are ready to begin. Bowel movement signs. When potty training, you need to be able to detect when your child has a bowel movement. Squatting and grunting are common signs that you can watch for. If they tell you, even better. Cognitive signs. Understanding physical signs. Your child needs to learn to tell when they are about to go. This sign may not be in place at the beginning, as it is also the goal of potty training to teach them this. But if they are already indicating when they need to go, they are ready to be potty trained. Follows instructions. Your child needs to understand and follow simple instructions before they are ready to be potty trained. These are all good signs to watch for before potty training your child. Wait patiently for several of these signs to appear before beginning. It can be hard to wait, particularly if other children your child's age are already learning. But the more prepared your child is, the shorter and easier the entire process will be.